In today's video, we're going to check out latest news enhanced from Olivier Buisard over at Simplify Your Web and take a first look at it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watching Work live stream number 229 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them, update them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. All right, so today's video, as usual, is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and while you're there, check out all the tools and information that'll save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. Yeah, I know Phil is working on some cool things there too. Keep your eye out for those, but yeah, it's a great tool to use. Hello in chat to Stefan and Ivor, anyone else who happens to be lurking there. I see we got like 5 viewers right now. I'm one of them. Hello to me. And there's Bjorn and Mary. Yes, Mary says latest news enhanced is a very versatile extension. Yeah, the reason that I am oh, look at that. I was down in the bottom corner of the My Sites thing. That shouldn't be happening. Ha! There we go. All right. Oh, by the way, didn't have time to change my picture when I remember today, so we're back to the snail. Yeah, so, you know, there's another module that I like for displaying news, and I ran into a situation on my site last night when I was working with one of my team members. And so I thought, you know, I'm going to check out latest news enhanced and see if if it can do what I was hoping it would do. It really comes down to what I would like to do is pick the content by only tags. And the other solution that I use, I had to pick a category as well. So anyways, Olivier is a good friend of the channel, a good friend in our Joomla world, and I have met him, spent time with him in JDay USA. He's been on the channel here, so I thought, you know what? I want to show him some love and show him some support. So, yeah, I've checked this out. And as much as I like that other product and we'll keep using it, if I get to know latest news enhanced really well, then I'd like to add that to my repertoire of extensions that I use. Hello, Michael. Good to see you today. All right, so let's turn our attention to the screen. First of all, let me get a different pair of glasses on. Yeah, oh my goodness, I should probably clean these before. All right, here we go. We've got a Joomla 5 website there. There's an update to Joomla 5 yesterday and to Joomla 4. I haven't installed it anywhere yet, but we will. I will get to that later on. All right, so let's go into the back end of the site here. In fact, why don't we just do that right now? 501 is available. Yeah, we're just going to wing that into there and start the update. And meanwhile, I'm going to copy, and here is where we're going. Yes, Raxo just updated. I saw that, Bjorn, so that's cool. It runs in Joomla 5 without the translator app. So that's good. Yeah, and I actually just added, I'll just show you here, this, and that's what I was working on last night. Adding on my site here, if we go to a NetShaker, showing the latest videos here on the right hand side. So we have a bit of work to do there. Not all the videos have images in the articles here, but just wanted to have something to sort of promote more of the videos there. So the Watching Work live streams I have to add an image to each article so that Raxo can pick it up. Anyway, so Simplify Your Web, that's where we're at. And let's see, sites up to the latest Joomla, great. And I think that we will, here in Joomla 5, install the blog sample data just so that we can have a few things to show latest news. And that means that we will have this here. There we go. Use the intro image. Yes, but the issue there, Bjorn, is that I only have the YouTube video embedded on the page, so there are no images added anywhere. So there's nothing for it to pick up. It would be great if it could, if it saw a YouTube video, if it would pick up the, just automatically use the thumbnail from that. That would be awesome. But there you go. All right, so simplify your web, and we are going to look for latest news enhanced pro. And I'm going to try the free one right now. I'm open to buying the pro one. And extensions bundle license. Look at this. All free and pro extensions for 99 bucks. Wow. I might just do that. Because he's got some other things to check out, and that's not too bad for supporting him. He does a lot. He does a lot in the community too. But let's go down here to Joomla 5, and we will download here. And I'm going to accept the license agreement and download. I will click this here and download. And now I'm going to save it to my computer. You might hear my wife, Susan, coughing in the background. She's been sick. So she told me today that she wasn't going to cough, but she's Elvis has left the room to cough. All right, we've got that there. Let's go to System, and we will go Install Extensions, and I've downloaded up here already. We'll drop that in there. Let me just turn my phone down here. Actually, let's just put it in, yeah, there we go. Airplane mode. All right, now there we go, latest news enhanced. It is a module, so we're going to go to System, Site Modules. Let's see if it automatically put one in there on install. We'll search. Yeah, there we go. Searching at the latest, highest ID number there. And let's go in and take a look. Let's take a look at some of the things that we have here available to us. Now, oh man, we've got some options here. Okay, down at the bottom here, look at that. Translation, help translate the extension. Quick start tutorial. Online documentation. Do we want to read the online documentation? Maybe we will. The forum. Wow, this is really handy. This is great. Ask for support. Find a bug. Oh, file a bug report. Demo. Look at some examples. Review and donate. Hey, that's really, I'm impressed. That's a great little feature there to have all of the opportunity to contact there, and then check out the pro version. Nice. Please leave a review. Yeah, what was this? Demo. Let's look at demo and see some of the things that we can do. All right, so latest news enhanced. Okay, example image from content. Okay, read more. Yeah. And features, multiple ways to select news articles, standard, Joomla, or K2, by categories, by tags, by author, exclude include specific articles, show related items, configure items with images from the article or calendar, link to articles from the title or read more links, style items from a responsive ready design, use a minimum width to limit how small an item can be when resized, crop and resize the pictures to fit the configuration, thumbnails can be stored in /images, style images with hover effects, limit the intro text to be shown, add detailed information, format dates and times, add pagination, style buttons, pagination with Bootstrap, enjoy clean, easy to understand user interface, cache the created on-the-fly style sheets and scripts for faster loading. All right, let's look. So we have our menu assignment. Yeah, let's assign this just to all pages for now. Item selection. Okay, we're selecting from articles. All right. Now, if you want additional data sources, you can use the commercial version. So that would be, what would the data sources be? Data sources. You could do Okay. News feeds. You know, part of the reason that I got looking at this as well is that I need something that will display news feeds from another site that works in Joomla 4. Oh, Mary, you just typed that as I said. That's what I need. So because I have a new client, and he's using, hello, Imran. He's using Joomla Works RS feed, but it only works in Joomla 3, and I don't want to get him doing more things unless it's in that. So I will, Mary, can I do that? I need the pro version for that, right? Because that is what I want it to be able to do. So cool. All right. We'll go back to the module here. So use as related. Do we toggle inline help? Yep. Oh, the pro version. All right. Well, I'm going to get that right now. But let's take a look at the free version. I'll pick that up in a little bit. Show only the items related to the current component. By, keyword, by tag. Okay, so you can set it so that it'll only show items that are related to the current component. All right, so articles by tag, any content that has that tag. Okay, all right, or by or by keyword. Nice. Yeah, you know, keywords in the Joomla articles where you put in your meta description and it has keywords, that doesn't do anything for SEO, but it does help Joomla. It does help for related content if you're putting information in there. It does help showing things in Joomla. Imran, Imran, yeah, sorry. Imran, we are taking a look at this module there, latest news enhanced. Subcategories. Order of the categories, subcategories. You want to show them all? Yeah. Now this is, okay, so this is pretty good because you could select all categories and then you could then get down and only show certain tags, which is good. The solution I was trying to use, I don't think it had the all categories option. I could be wrong. And if I am wrong, I would not be the first time, right? Okay. Include children tags, yeah. Tags, match type. How tags need to match. All requires, so here's some tag matching. Any combination of at least X tags, any combination of at most Y tags. Okay, so that's a pro feature. All right. Oh, look at this. Filtering by custom fields. Wow. Oh, look at that. If you have a custom field in an article, I guess, you can filter by that. That's pretty cool. Because then you could just leave everything blank and only just go by that. Yes, Imran. Yeah, news organization, even an e-commerce site. You were right. Meta keywords come to all articles. Oh, wow. So you could, meta keywords. Okay. So that's what I was just talking about. What was this up here? Tags. Tags match. Where was I? Related. No. Okay. But that's where the meta keywords matching would be. Okay. You can filter by authors. Author name, create an alias or username. Oh, maybe is that what's to display? No, we're still in item selection. Okay. Author order. Okay. Published. Oh, this is great. This is a tool that I can use on another site that helping someone. Any open graph. Imran, I haven't seen it yet. I would doubt there'd be open graph in here to put in because this is just displaying content from somewhere else. So you want to do the open graph somewhere else. Exclude. Exclude. So if you have this on a page that's showing articles, exclude the current article so you don't get duplicate there. So if you're reading an article, it won't show up. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Allow public visitors to have a glimpse of the restricted content. That's cool. So they could see a little bit even though it's restricted. Nice. Include items designated as featured. Yeah. Order. All right. Enforce the language. Maximum count. The number of things to display. Apply to articles. Start at 1. What's what the max count applies to? Okay. All right. Layout. Module or K2 module layout. Oh, do you want to have it in a column or a row? Start items, so left, start, end, space between, space around, space evenly. Items aligned. Oh, you want to stretch them? Do you want to just have them be their own size? Center them. Okay. Space between items. Do not enter any overall width or height values if you want a fluid layout. Okay. Use that's pro item width. Yeah. Yeah, Bjorn. Actually, I didn't call you the other day. I accidentally clicked on the wrong button on Facebook. I went to close our chat, but instead of hitting the minus, I hit the call, and it was like, oh no, it's like the middle of the night. So, and then, oh, I hope that it didn't wake you up. Alignment, yeah, element. The element to use is title. Title, okay. Letter count max. Truncate the last word. Force one line. Forces the title to show on only one line. Header. Tag to apply the article title. Okay. Show the title before the head and themes where the head can be positioned at the top. Text intro. All right. Letter count, truncate last word. This is in for the text. Lots of options here. Okay. Bjorn's wondering why Joomla's not taking account of Open Graph and Joomla Core. People are social media focused these days. Yeah. One thing that's new in Joomla 5 is the what is that called? Someone will type remember. So close, right on the tip of my mind, of my tongue. Link fallback. Okay, follow. Allow robots to follow that. Tooltip, always show edit link. Link label, read more. Alignment, position for categories where it should be. Link to the category, alignment, consolidate. Wow, lots of stuff here. Categories must be ordered for the consolidation to work. Oh, so shows the category label only for the first of the items of the same category. Okay. Item count, read all, link position. Wow, so much. That's crazy. All right, theming. Oh, okay, we've got some themes here. The original, modern, and a color scheme. Okay, and then there's some other ones with the pro version there. Background color, so you can set the colors here. Yeah, okay. You want a shadow, space the border, font color. Wow, look at that. Lots of stuff here. Font color overhead. Yeah, read more. Categories, read all, override. Okay. Head image. Okay. Create thumbnails. Yes. What kind do you want? Wow. That's cool. Okay, lazy load things. Oh, wow. Wow. Head, so that's head image. Head icon. Okay, that's a pro feature. Head calendar. Now, he has a I saw that he had this linking to calendar, but that's something I hadn't even thought about. And I don't know, Mary, does this do you know, does the calendar work? Does he have a calendar extension on his site? Or is this linking to a third-party one? Head video. Okay. Going to put a video in the header. Information. Separator after. Date format. Ratings. Tags. Links. The specifics for the blocks of information. Okay, wow. Animation. No animation. But I guess this is for when you mouse over, something happens. Wow. This is... Oh, you think it pulls from publishing info, no calendar extension. Oh, okay. All right. Documentation for advanced layout suffix. Okay, this is layout, yeah. Site mode. Okay. Oh, here's things that you can do as you're working on it, I guess. Inline scripts, all right. Well, that's crazy, 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 crazy. All right, well, let's do this. I've got my site here. Let's let's put this in place. Lots of reading on his site. He could use a few more videos to get people going. So yay, Tim. Good. Well, hopefully this will be helpful for him. Man, I'm kind of super dark down here, aren't I? Hey, Google. Change Studio 3 to 100%. Let's see if I can make myself a little bit whiter here. If even
for
less.
that, you'll have to turn off airplane mode.
Oh, that's right. I have to turn off airplane mode for that. All right. Well, we'll give that a try. Turn that off, and yeah, there is no stone unturned. It looks like it. Well, we'll see what we can find here. Hey Google, change Studio 3 to 100%. There. Oh,
setting Studio 3 brightness to 100%.
Still okay. There we go. Let's see. All right. So all right, well, let's do something here. The module, let's assign this to the sidebar right, Cassiopeia, and publish this. Menu assignment on all pages. Is this going to show up anything there? Oh, there we go. Latest news enhanced. Oh, and it's showing all my articles here. Test, yeah. Welcome to your blog, about your homepage, your modules, your template, about, oh yeah, it's showing like lots of things there. Okay. Oh, well then we can go back here and we can, let's just see what we can set here. We want to select the images, layout. And now I've got that in the right, I've got that in the right hand side. So, so it's going to be a column, and item width, item units width, that's 100%. Okay. Now let's see, our title, welcome to your blog. So we can truncate things. So watch. Imran said, if I use Wi-Fi, I can still keep running airplane mode. The trick is first activate the airplane mode. Yeah, although I don't want it on Wi-Fi because then I'll still get notifications and calls. Because actually we have not great Wi-Fi here in my neighborhood. And so I have my phone on Wi-Fi, make calls over Wi-Fi. So I just want my phone to be quiet. Okay, head type, title. That's the letter count max. Let's do this. 6 letters at the most. And we'll refresh. Oh, there you go. Oh, so there's no word in here. Oh, 6 letters. Oh, okay. Well, that works really well. All right. This is the way to learn here. So let's say we want 10 letters. And refresh. Get a few more first words here because welcome is less than 10. About your. Yeah, oh, millions. All right. All righty. I like that. Okay, good. That takes care. All right, so let's get rid of this 10-letter max here, right? The intro. Aha, that's where things were getting pretty big. So let's show a maximum of 200 letters, and we'll truncate the last word. We'll strip tags from that, and we'll go save, and we will go refresh. Oh, yeah, that's going to be a lot shorter because, oh, look at that. Oh, isn't that nice formatting? I like that. Okay. Now, this is showing all content from all tags. So why don't we go, let's see here, item selection. Here's all categories. Let's say that we only want from the blog category on our sample here. Save. Simplify your, oh yes, and then go here and refresh. Oh, and then we get this. This is very nice. This is very nice. I like this. Now, of course, if someone was going to want to read more of the latest news here, they need to click on read more. And that is down here. Let's see. Tags, authors. Okay. Layout. Item width, yeah, body, text, intro, yeah, okay, well, I was just in here. Linking, oh, link on the title and the read more. Ah, nice. All right, so let's save and refresh. Oh, there we go. And then there's also a welcome to, oh, okay, so the read more down here is the actual title. Aha, so let's go READ, read more, yeah. Oh, read more appended to text. Okay, let's see. Here's the read more. Link label. All right, so if we want read more, and so align it to the right and save. Oh yeah, unclick the title. Although I do want them to be able to click on the title. I think if I refresh here, aha. So if I want the title to be linked and I clicked read more, the default read more is to show the title at the bottom. But if I put a read more text in there, it selects what it should be. Very, very nice. Did we have a thing in here? Yeah, I think it looks great too, Amron. Is there somewhere in here for custom CSS? I don't know. All right, head image. Let's just select an image here. Oh yeah, let's use Bowtie Tim here. Bowtie Tim, not Botox Tim. Although that picture is quite a few years ago when I was younger, so I don't even think with Botox I could get back to looking like that. But although, you know what, I should maybe maybe I should do a fundraiser that if I raise enough money for something, I'll go get Botox, and then and then all my live streams for a couple of weeks will look like this. I'm smiling. I'm sad. In theming at the bottom. Thank you, Bjorn. Let's refresh here. Bowtie Tim. Did I not save that? I did. Default image, border width, border color, shadow width. I might be missing something here. In theming, down at the bottom, CSS. Oh, CSS overrides this black box. That's great. Because what I was thinking was that here, what I would want is inspect, and I don't want I don't want this to, I don't want the news title. I do not want it underlined. So if I go decoration and then go none, no. How do I turn off underlining there? Underline, underline, no. Text. Something in there. Yeah, anyways, I would like to not to be underlined. H4 new title A. Oh, it's an A, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, okay. H4. Let's go here. Do a new one. You're right. A has A has tooltip. All right. Well, I don't want to turn this into a CSS thing, but you could find a CSS you want to change, and as Bjorn has pointed out, it would go in the CSS overrides here. Okay, so for the images, let's see. Background color. So default image, yes. Border, hover effect, filter. Wonder why that's not showing there. Okay, so I can probably set it in the module too. Yes, oh yeah, whether that's underlined, yes, that's true too. Background item, head, body, read more, layout, item, head, body, title. No. So some of these articles I know have images, right? So what am I missing? Oh, now here's an example. Notice how it says welcome to blog is faded out here. If I go to about your home page, it's always faded when we show the current. See, so here we're viewing this article and it's showing here as faded, which is very cool. But if we go into item selection here, which was hide, let's see, F3, I think it was hide. Hide. Oh, somewhere. Somewhere I could say don't show this on the same page. Oh, look, here we go. Head type, images from content. Oh, let's try that. Yes, I think that's it there, Imran. Let's see, let's save. There we go. Oh, okay. Oh, I selected that one. There's Bowtie Tim for everything. Okay, so I just did that. We're on this page here, linking. Oh my goodness, sorry for doing all this crazy scrolling here. The intro thing, okay. Linking, read more, description. Oh, image from content, yeah. But then I've got head image here. So let's X that out. Let's go save. All right. Oh, Vinny says Susan sounds. I haven't heard Susan coughing for a bit, but Vinny, I'm sorry to hear that you are sick as well. Default image. Layout. Image from content. Image intro. Yeah, because in Joomla here, it's got the... oh, here it will pick image from content, intro, or full. Yes, Imran, you're right. Because those images are from the intro. So let's go here. I like that option. There we go. Oh my goodness, yeah. Now those are big images. All right. And so let's go back here and say we want the intro image. Let's try the intro image. Oh, the full image. In this case, it depends on what you're using for your image source. So if we refresh this, okay, and you get the full image. Yes, all right. And we can change the size of these articles and where they're at. Right? Image, item width. Head. The head width will be, we can do 100. Make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Hello, Chuck. Yes, an image on top. Good idea. Position. Aha, there we go, top. Okay, so then we can probably center that. Edza, good to see you. Yeah. The gang is getting all here today. Oh, Vinny was behind on the stream. He just clicked on live. Yeah. All right, so we've got that's cool. Full width if you're gonna put in the top, yeah. So item width, image full, head image, the full image. Let's see. Text linking. All right. Well, we see this, man. We see all the things that we can play around with here. That is really, really great. And again, it's just a matter of finding your way around. Layout. Head image. That's the big head image there. Now let's let's do some negate, and it's making some different quality, different type of images. So let's refresh. Ah, it made negatives. Now let's view this code here. Let's go inspect, and we see that that image is a thumb. It's made a thumb size, so it's in media, cache, mod, latest news enhanced, the thumb size, and it's got its own little character there. So let's open image in a new tab, and that, when we look at its address up here, it's being created and making its own little image, which should load fast. Yeah, with the 100% height auto, Imran says. Yeah, let's see here. If I can find, that's not head image, it's layout, item width, head type, image full, head width. Yeah, we only have the width for pixels here. So we could always just pick a size to go into there. But just the head width for 100 for that. Now let's see. Let's go do something stupid here. Do 1,000. Oh, okay. Hey, making it 1,000. Oh, let's see. Open image in new tab. Oh yeah, it makes a huge thumbnail image of it, but it didn't overflow. It did squish and fill in there. So you could do this. Let's say this is about. This is really nice. This is about, I don't know, is this 200 pixels? Well, so why don't we do this? We will just go back to here, the width. Let's just make it something like, let's make it 250 by 250. And let's try another, okay, this is in layout, theming. Let's try another, let's try a different theme here. Let's do this marine color theme. And let's put a little soft medium thing on, shade on there. But I really want it to try a different image thing as well. Oh man, I gotta find my way around here. Item selection, K2, no. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, trying 80, that would be interesting too. Oh, let's do emboss for fun here. Okay, let's just do that and refresh. No, it's embossed. Oh, now 250 wasn't quite wide enough for here. So let's close this. Let's go into here. Let's do okay, layout. Yeah, let's do 350. And then let's try Imran's there at 80. Let's see what happens there. Okay, so it kept it squared. I'm pretty sure that's 80 high. So, hey, what if we just say, what if we leave that blank? No. Did I mess this up how? Oh, blank, it just, oh, so head width, save. If I save, if I leave it at 0, it puts something in there. Let's see. Oh, okay. So with it set to 0, I was able to set this to 350, and the images, even though they would be a little bit bigger, so for instance, let's open in a new tab. It's 400 by 400. It's a little bit bigger, but still not that big. And it just fits in there really nice. This is really nice. This is very nice. Oh, now I did so. What? Oh, let's see. Yeah, the image is set square there. I think it's a square image too that I'm picking as well. Those images in the articles in the sample content are square. So let's go to theming. Oh, here we go. Theming. Marine. Did we get a marine theme there? No. Soft, medium. Where's the... Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. Head, image, layout. Image selection. Oh, my goodness. Oh, let's see here. Layout. I'm looking for where I picked a different kind of image there. Theming. Original mod. Let's go with that. Soft, medium. That's saved there. Oh, yeah, emboss. Emboss. That's what I... Unless that's not one that's optioned. That's all right. Let's just try sepia. No, that's not working. It was working before, wasn't it? I know negate worked. Maybe this is a limitation of my server. Interesting. That stopped changing those. I wonder what happened there. All right, so yeah, I don't know if it's caching issues because it was changing them before. Tim only live streams to mods. What's that mean? Only live streams to mods. What's mods? What do you mean by mods? Oh, try calendar. Yeah, sure. Okay, we'll try calendar. Top position, weekday. Yeah, yeah. Oh, moderators. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, everybody's got a wrench. I gotcha. All right, so so the calendar, we've got a selection here. I'm going to guess that over here, maybe layout, I have to say show the date. Schema plugins. That's right, Vinny. And did someone type that earlier when Imran was talking about open graph stuff? I guess it's kind of differently. Okay. Oh, Vinny would love a podcast schema. Yeah, that would be great for you. Date supply range. No, so this is when no date keep in place. Okay, I don't think this is it. Let's see. Data source. Layout. Description, no. Read the online documentation. I think I better do that. Rudiger, good to see you. All right. Content, top position. Module head calendar. Yeah, and Rudiger should have a wrench. Rudiger deserves a wrench after coming on and being interviewed and showing his extension a couple of weeks ago. By the way, everyone, I did not notice that when Rudiger was on that I had OBS set to not only capture desktop, but it was also coming across my speakers and going through the mic, and there was a slight delay, so it sounded like he had that. All right. Hey, Rudiger, Vinny wants you to have a wrench, so why not? We'll make you a moderator of the live stream. So do 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 do. Oh, I've got two kinds of things here. Yeah, and manage block words and change chat while it's in line. Okay, there we go. There you go, Rudiger. Now, Rudiger, you've got a wrench. You can actually paste links if you want. Go ahead, paste a link to your extension as a test there. All right, so we've got the we've got this selected here, but this is not showing up. So what am I doing wrong here? And then after this, I'm going to buy the Pro version, and I'm going to get Mary to talk me through doing an RSS feed. Or we'll figure out how to do an RSS feed, because that would be... that is great. Yes, there you go. Michael is the king of emoticons here on in chat. All right, so border width style. All right, there's that. Background image, border width, border color, shadow width, font size, text. Oh, it's way easy. Okay, great. Text, background, text, background. All right, so, oh, come on. Why is this not showing here? Oh, look at that. There's there's pagination. That looks like a pro thing. All right, information, separator, position, after title. Ratings. Did I say? Yeah, I'll try it again. Yeah, just missing something. There you go. Rudiger can post links. Excellent. And then, of course, every now and then we have had the odd spammer show up, and I kind of laugh when it happens because I know everybody has a wrench, so everybody's scrambling to put the person in timeout. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so here's the information. Different styles, but it's not showing. Okay, a quick review here. Item selections, articles, yeah. Are we showing anything? Authors, dates, when exclude. Oh, look. Oh, exclude current item. Cool, watch. If we do that. Now, if I click on welcome to blog here, welcome to blog does not show up here. Now, if I click on about your home page, so you don't get this duplicated in the side. That's very nice. I like that. All right, we found that. We can always, yeah, you can match by tags, subcat, and all that. Okay. Layout, module layout. Yeah. We can do some of these other layouts here as well if we were to put that module, assign this to a module position that's bigger, or even to embed it in an article. Head type. Oh, look at that. Head type. All right. Head type. Calendar. Bet you that's it. Oh, and there you go. There's the date. All right. So let's go ahead. Calendar. Style. Let's just change that. Just make sure we're in the right area. No, not quite. The date is there. That's good. And of course, these all have the same dates. And that was progress, though. Let's go back here. Position top. Head type calendar. Yeah. Okay. I don't see that we have any shadows here either. So, well, of course the border color is, that's, all right, let's get messing stuff up here. Border radius, let's go 10. Border width, let's go 4. And we go save. Aha, so we're still missing something here. Let's just go back to inherit the color scheme. Oh, let's inherit. Let's switch back to original here. Okay, something is, we're missing something here, aren't we? Read the online documentation. We've already looked at that. Original, border color. Interesting. All right, well, the date is there, but it's not. It's just not showing, is it? Let's just start throwing some stuff in here. 10 text overall. All right. Maybe I need to change this layout. Yeah, try a different style of the calendar. Okay, let's try this here. Well, and actually there is only one calendar style that I can do. The rest are there in the Pro version. So, all right. Yeah, so either maybe something is not happening. Let's do this. Let's go to our test article here. And let's go to, oh, I don't have an editor set here. System, global configuration, tiny MCE. Why don't I have why do I not have an editor showing in here? Interesting. I've got this stuff down here. Oh, is this because we X typo, we were looking at that. All right, well, let's just put a module in here. Load module. Okay, well, it's going to do it. Let's go to home. Here's the test article here. And the module should show up in here somewhere, but also, oh, because I don't know. Oh, look at, oh, I saved that and it took that out. Your modules. Close. Articles. Test. Let's just try this module. Latest news enhanced. Save. Oh, and it stripped it out. All right. In the editor system, global configuration, I have editor tiny MCE. So I think maybe something's broken on this site here. So let's switch this. Let's switch that. And then I'll switch to that again. Oh, and my personal profile. Oh, good point. Users, manage Aha, thank you. Basic settings. Oh, I've got cold mirror. There you go. Thank you. You're exactly right. Test. There we go. Wow. Yeah, I was testing something that Llewellyn was working on. Let's put in a module. Latest news enhance. Yes, thank you, Bjorn. Yeah, from last Wednesday's live stream, I changed that. So if I save this, there we go. Now we go test. And there they are stacked. Okay, so we're just going to ignore what's over here. I mean, we still don't have that, but at least we can change this. Site modules, latest news enhanced. Let's do the layout. Let's do it as a row. And centered, great. And what else can we do? I think this is where we do the head image. Oh, layout is body alignment. Center, I don't know. Let's see. You can use a module without a div or a P around it. Where do I set? Let's just try this here. Refresh. Oh, it still put it across. Where do I pick the source? Be head type calendar. Okay. Item selection, data source. Vinny, if you had $1 every time you mentioned a regular lab extension, Peter would be out of business. Well, it depends on who's paying you the $1. Where do I select the calendar versus the image? Oh, here we go. Head type. And do full, save. Okay, so now we got that. Now it's not doing it as a grid, which would be great. Maybe one of the pro versions there is a row layout, item spacing. I wonder if in the examples here, okay. The module, oh, you think I have cache-ish because the module does not look like the stream on your screen. Oh, they have a gradient background. Okay. Well, let's try this then. Let's close this. Yeah, so a lot of functionality in the free version. System, clear cache, delete all. Oh yeah, you're right. I've got caching. I've got caching. All right, so we went back to images there. All right, there's a lot of the changes that are okay. It would still be great to have this as a grid, but now we can go back to here. Let's go to content this way. We'll go to site modules because I know that drives Bjorn crazy when I go the extra step. Latest news enhanced. And layout, head type, calendar. Save. Control Shift and R. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. But there's the now. Of course, now I've butchered this here. But all right, let's just go to blog here. There we go. Now, okay. So let's go to the head calendar and the border width. Let's get rid of the border width. Oh, well, let's see. Do we want the border width? Oh, the border width was partly what was showing up there. All right, well, let's just try this here. Let's get rid of the border width. And let's get rid of the radius. We'll leave the border color at 0 is going to not matter. Let's just do a slight shadow at 5. And the text is green and red, which we've got there. And now the only thing is, why is that not fitting in there? I wonder if that's, if we go layout, we say it's a column, and we'll save. Okay, that changed. Chuck says reduce the width of the dates. Okay, calendar. It should look just like that. Border width, text. I must have set the width somewhere, right? Let's see here. Item width 100. Oh, head width 350. Yeah. Now if I delete that, thank you, Chuck. And we go Control Shift and R. Aha, yes, okay. All right, well then, there we have that. Okay, so we could set something, must be able to align that somehow. Layout, column. We've got it set to center. Head, space, oh, position, oh, alignment, center. Okay. Position, top, alignment, center. All right, it's just a matter of finding stuff. Oh, Control Shift and R. There we go. Aha, excellent. Now these all have the same dates because I put them in at the same time. I wonder if there's a place where the head calendar, if you can consolidate. We saw that you could do that under the category. I wonder if you could consolidate under the date. See, here's consolidate categories. Be great if you could consolidate the date. Title. That would be cool. Yeah, Ivor, there's little overlap with Raxo, but this has even more options. Yeah, and you know what? Just what I found out, what I was trying to do with Raxo was to have all categories. But to be fair to Raxo, let me just do this. Because as you know, I'm a big fan of Raxo. Let's go into here, system. No dark mode switch on here yet. Extensions manage. Yeah, sorry, site modules. And this is what I just added. Sorry, at the top here. Latest videos. This is a Raxo module. Conditions, yeah. Notes, basic options. A little bit dark here. Yeah, so the category, I won't save this. There was no option here for all categories. And I can't leave this blank. That's what I wanted, because what I wanted to do was to have not sort by categories, but sort only by, filter not by categories, but only by tags. And that was the one thing we couldn't do last night. But as we see here, for source, you can pick articles, but we can leave this blank, as we saw. And then we can just filter by tags. So for instance, if we go back here, this is going to become huge down here, right? But let's just click on your modules. And here's, let's use the tag millions. And then you just, these are only the articles. So that was the one difference. Now, can I make it so that only the image shows? That was something, all right, because that's what I've done over here. On here, I have just the image showing. So then that's, so that if we go to here and layout, space between items here, no, okay, minimum item element. So first of all, for the head, we want this to be the image full. And we would want the link to Imran, you take care. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Letter count. So if I go 0 and go back here and refresh. Oh, okay. 0. Yeah. Okay. Great. 0. All right. So item width, head type, image full, yeah, position top, center, body, element, title, letter count max of the title 0. All right. Read more. I don't want anything in the read more. And then somewhere up here, I could type. Okay, so link on. Okay, so what we would need to have would be this. I got that, but there's no way to click just on the image. Aha. All right, let me just make a quick note here. In fact, I'm going to open up just another tab. And I'm going to send, make a thing here to Olivier. And I'm just going to make 2 notes here. Consolidate date. And make image clickable for showing only the image in the latest news enhanced module. All right, I'll send that to him later. Yes, yeah, it could probably, yeah, maybe it could do it with an override, but I think it'd be a cool feature and interesting too. We got this little sneaky space at the bottom here, which I actually have over here too. And I did change the dimensions of these images. We're actually going to just hide this here. But yeah, so Raxel's doing a great job there. There's just that one filtering thing. And I'll probably mention that to him as well. Because that would be a great feature in Raxel. All right, so everybody, let's go back to the snail. And I'm going to get the pro version here so that we can go to, let's see, image display block. You you think that will take care of that little line? Is that what that's for? Bjorn, let's see. You know, I used to have a screen where. Okay, well, we will try. I'll try that right after I get back into there. So let's see. I'm trying to get to the window here for buying. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's my snail picture. I didn't change the picture to something else. I did have one sort of picked. I started looking at pictures I took from when we were in Banff before the summer, but all right. So here I am, $99 US for all the free and pro extensions, unlimited sites. So I'm gonna get that deal. I need to log in to buy a license. Do I have a login on here? I don't think I have a login here. A slug is just a homeless snail. All right, so I'm going to create an account here. Tim Davis, Cybersalt, Bitwarden, generate a password. Control V, whoops, Control V, email address, yeah. I am not a robot. Oh yeah, I gotta pick all these stairs here. Any other stairs? Oh, I think so. And a register. Oh, username is not available. I've got a username. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, So let's go to home. I'm a Timbot. I am. And then up here in Canada, we have Tim Hortons. And and they have Timbits. Yes. Yes, Stefan. But Vinny meant a slug. A slug is. I've got. Yeah, we have some pretty big slugs out here in the West Coast. Maybe I'll find a picture of one of those. All right. So I've got to. I forgot my password here. So email address. Let's go here. Okay. So I'm getting my password reset. And let's see. Waiting. I wonder if my reset here is for, I wonder if I have like an old login for that. Forgot my username. Who knows what I've got? I don't know what it would be. Okay, let's try this. Forgot your username. Let's try. Maybe it's that. Okay, let's see here. Well, I guess I just have to create another user here just to get this going. Shoo. Okay, well, how's anybody working on? Let's talk about projects we're working on. If you want to mention anything that you're doing, and I'm going to go on here to don't have an account. Tim Cybersalt. Tim, there we go. Let's post that. Let's post that. Register. Okay. All right. All right, I'm going there. Yeah, look at that. I've got my credit card already on there. It makes it too easy to buy once you actually have a proper profile. And make sure that's the right number there. Yep. Pay. Okay. And I can now access download Pro extensions, latest news enhanced Pro. I'm going to download that and accept the license. Yeah. And I'm going to put this in my little Joomla folder where I keep things. Simplify your web. Yeah. I go like that. Okay, now one more thing. Let me just clear my cache for pasting, and I am back. Bjorn has a new site in progress. Breadsy 2024. Hey, it sounds like you're running for president. Using J2Store. Only web design so far worked on. P.S. In progress. Ah, man, I've really been struggling to get J2Store to work on a site that's migrating. I'm migrating from J3 to J4. Really, really struggling. They have not made that easy. Unless it's just this one site, and that's the first site I've been trying it on. All right, full screen. Here we are. Back we go. All right, so let's go to close. Let's go to system. Manage, install extensions. Here it is up here, the Pro one. And now I want to try your CSS there too. Okay. So we will go to system, site modules, latest news enhanced. And this was under styles. Now this has nothing to do with it being the Pro version, although I do have the option here for more calendar stuff. Let's use complex sided just for now. But theming, I'm going to take Bjorn's CSS and we'll paste it there and save. And this is to help those images fill in. Okay. Okay. Now, if we go to here and refresh, there you go. Bjorn to the rescue. That is awesome. I like that. And we customize that really nicely. Good job, Bjorn. Good job. All right. Let us make a new module. Mary says it's easy, so it must be. I'm going to go new. And I'm going to do, oh my goodness, what am I? Latest news, enhanced. Okay, and now I'm going to go CBC. I already have an RSS feed to test. CBC news. All right. Now, Mary says, where did you say, Mary, what do you do? What am I supposed to do? Mary says, I'm looking up in the chat here. You click a button and put the RSS field into it. It's way easy. All right. You click a button. Which button do I click, Mary? Item selection equals news. Oh, okay. Download more data sources at Simplify Your Web. Okay. So I must want to download news feeds for Joomla 4 and 5. Okay. Accept the license. Yeah. And there. Download. And this is a plugin. I'll put in Simplify that. Okay. So I'm just going to save this for now. Go System, Install, plop that in there. refresh this. Oh, and there we go, news feeds. Oh my goodness. Nice. Oh, you can do multiple feeds. Oh, wow. All right, so let's go cbc.ca. I'm going to go F3 for RSS. Here's their RSS feeds. And let's just go with the top stories in Canada. I'm going to copy this. Copy link address. Copy link. Yeah. Copy link address. I go back to here. I put the feed in. Now let's assign this to module position, which will be sidebar right. And save. If we go here. Oh, and look at that. There it is. There it is. Man. That's great. Now, why don't we just go back to our original one that we've been playing around with. So I'll unpublish that. Let's go latest news enhanced. There. Item selection. We'll go news feeds instead of that tags and all that stuff. We're going to go item selection. Paste that in there. Apply a range. Oh, so I can have... Oh, all right. Well, let's just see. Save. And refresh. Okay. Oh, and there you go. We have the head image. Using original image. Oh. All right. So first of all, we have this option here. Like we have a ton there. So why don't we just say we want to see at the most 5. All right. And then the layout, we're centering, overall width, item width, image full. We will go image from content. Okay. And then we will go to intro text. Oh, first of all, we had title. So let's go with 25 characters for the title. I think this is the only way that I know of to display an RSS feed inside of Joomla 4 or 5. Oh, Control-Shift-R. Oh man, come on now. I'm pretty sure I saved that. Module layout, column, center. Head type, image from content. Is this because of it being a feed? Yeah, I still don't have that text showing up there though, right? Okay. So head type, title 25, text. Oh, okay. Text. Let's do title, letter type, my position, head. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right, so that's showing there. It's interesting because if we just go back to the modules here, sorry, content site modules. If we publish this other CBC one here, it did have the title showing. Now down here, the title is not showing. So what have I done to have the title not be showing in here? Module layout, head image, head icon. Item selection, apply range, max count for feed. Let's just see if that what did that change? Okay, so layout, item width, head type, no alignment, element, title, truncate last word, no, text, intro. I mean, I could link on the title, and we could put a read more in here and do this and save. All right. So that's good. And this open in a and that opens up that feed nicely. Which reminds me to all right, make another note for okay. Your site is some commonly okay, so that's not what yeah. So that's all right. Let's go back to modules here. Modules. And we'll turn that off. So somehow I have titles turned off here. Maintain a body, title. Interesting. Let's look at the CBC thing here. What have we got for item selection? News feeds, yeah. Apply range, layout. Yeah, head type none. Do I have head type none over here? Yeah. Let's see what we have for title. Title, letter count max, empty. All right. Letter count empty. And here, position before head. Let's go save. No. here, letter count max 0, unauthorized text show, strip tag show, letter count max X. That goes 0. Done. Something is different. Something is different in this one. I mean, I could just start over from scratch because that other one is working fine, which is great. Let's just try that. Let's just see. Let's go, let's just go save and close. Let's turn off this one. Let's publish that one. And we'll go refresh. Great. Modules. All right, so let's try this. Let's go for layout. Use leading items. Head type. Calendar. Whoops. Oh, you know what? I opened that. That was and saved it. But I turned it on before, but that one was open with it turned off. Oh, okay. So maybe you can't switch from one type to another. I will just ask him that. Okay, so, well, that means then if we go to this module here and go to the head type, head type image from content, go save and refresh. It's thinking. Yeah, and some feeds are finicky. Yeah, that one's taking a long time to reload. All right, yeah, that's taking its sweet time. Looking for images. Look at this. I'm loading a ton of stuff there too. All right. So item selection, that's max count. Let's just do 5. Okay, let's stop this window and go Control Shift and R. And yeah, so it doesn't like the image thing. All right. Well, then let's go to the head image. No. Layout. Head type. Calendar. Let's go to head calendar. Let's do this nice complex one here. I like that. And let's put a little shading on it of 3. Oh, it did load the images eventually. Okay. So that's a pot. Oh, and now, oh yeah, look, that really got squished into there. Okay, so we want the head to be centered. position, top, save. Oh, that's super big. All right. But it's nice we've got the feed there. And then, of course, we can go to the item selection. No, we go to layout. Text. We've got, let's put a read more here. And it'll be right there. And position categories. If we want to show, no. Description, no. Read all. Now we select what, linking on the title and on the read more. Let's see. Let's try read more appended to text here. Oh, the read more appended to text is like right after, yeah. Ira says, looks better with only showing headers. Yeah, now we could, let's see here. Is it native? This extension, you mean, is it core to Joomla? No, this is an add-on if that's what you're asking, Marcus. And by the way, hi, Marcus. And this is what we're looking at, right? Oh, I've removed it. We're looking at simplify your webs. And this is, we're now looking at the pro version. I don't know if you just tuned in. Let's go to, let me just find the latest news enhanced here. There we go. If we go to the head calendar and pick a style, I picked this really big one. Let's just go to here, save, Control Shift and R, and it's kind of small there. Anyways, this is the point at which we start to play around and see. 29 Tuesday, November 2011. Wednesday, 29 Nov 2023, 11:57. So there must be somewhere where we can say what we want. Month format. Oh, we can put the name. We can put the date. Save. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, and then of course we have the width. We saw that before, didn't we? The width of the head, which was layout. Oh, the head width. So if we go 0, I think that might put it right across. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. See you later, Michael. Susan, Michael hopes you feel better soon.
Oh, thanks.
She says, thanks. I don't know if you could hear that. Head width in pixels. So alignment, if we do it centered, let's do 300. Save. Control Shift and R. Okay, so that did do that. Now it's not centered, but it might actually just be the formatting of this one. And there's a bit of spacing that we can put in, but anyways, really cool. This is really, really neat. And lots of options. So I think that this RSS feed is exactly what I've been looking for this new client. So I'm going to be able to put it on their site and show them, and they can start to convert their RSS feeds over, and that will be good. All right, well, everybody, it looks like we're at 1:03 p.m. So that is good. Thanks for helping me with that and hanging out with me today. Let me Oh my goodness, I have a lot of windows open here. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so everybody, thanks. Thanks for tuning in today. Thanks for your support of this channel and for all of your assistance. And yeah, spending time with me today. Appreciate that. So we'll wrap it up there. Yes, Stefan, thanks. And Mary and Bjorn and everybody else in here. So, yeah, as usual, I hope that wherever this finds you, be it morning, afternoon, evening, or tomorrow, that you are well. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.